Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn privacy settings for job seekers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore your LinkedIn privacy settings as a job seeker, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the homepage and click on your profile picture. In the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. On the Settings page, locate Here, you will see various options related to your profile visibility settings. To manage who can see your profile, click on Profile Visibility. Adjust the settings according to your preference. For job seekers, it's essential to have your profile visible to recruiters. Next, scroll down to Who can see your connections and select the option that best fits your needs. Then, navigate back to the Visibility menu and click on Job Seeking Preferences. Here, you can toggle the setting to let recruiters know you are open to opportunities. Make sure this option is turned on to increase your visibility to potential employers. Additionally, go back to the Data Privacy section in the left sidebar. Here, you can manage how your data is used by LinkedIn. Make sure to review settings for Profile Viewing Options. Select the option that allows you to remain anonymous while viewing other profiles. Finally, revisit all your settings to ensure they align with your privacy preferences. Once you have made all necessary adjustments, log out and log back in to review how your profile appears to others. Remember, keeping your privacy settings aligned with your job-seeking goals is crucial for an effective search. Take time to understand each setting and adjust as necessary in the future. Now you can navigate LinkedIn with greater confidence and control over your privacy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.